What you are listening to now, the music of Miles Davis, is one of the ways.
Shalom.
And this is Studio 61 in New York City.
Shalom Alaikum. Peace, health, wealth, well-being. Miles Davis and John Coltrane. So what? That's how we gotta feel in this world today. Be easy. Like the Big Easy. Available on my website is Jigsaw Puzzle Fine Art Prints. 21 and a half by 15 and a half inches. Because studies show that jigsaw puzzling helps with multiple cognitive skills and potentially protect cognitive aging like dementia and Alzheimer's. And not only do I want to make art, but I want to make art therapy. Based on cognitive task analysis, jigsaw puzzling may demand multiple cognitive abilities, including visual perception, recognizing objects, patterns, and orientation of lines, cognitive speed, and visual scanning, cognitive flexibility like switching attention, perceptual reasoning, and working in episodic memory, and more. This makes jigsaw puzzling beneficial to all ages, from children to elders. I literally remember my granny doing puzzles growing up. I and my siblings and cousins helping her with some of the pieces here and there. She would have the puzzle on a desk for weeks, working on it on and off at her leisure. Puzzles are great for coping methods to release stress, in addition to improving cognitive skills. What I like about the idea of fine art puzzles is after you benefit from it cognitively, baby, you got a piece of art forever. When purchased, you will receive a card of authenticity, which include the limited print series number so you can number it. Invest in your mental health by investing in art.